Hello, my name is Roman, and today I will show you a quick tour of our product Rolim. It helps engineers automatically tune MySQL configuration to improve the performance of web applications. Okay, let's start. We should sign in to our customer portal. If you are a new user, you should sign up by click here. I will use my credentials. There is a page with the API key and two commands: one-step install and command to get recommended configuration. Rolim is already installed on my Linux server. To proceed, we should execute the second command to run Rolim agent. Rolim analyzes server information and detects areas of performance degradation. We have got the recommended configuration. There are MySQL variables, recommended values, and previous values. Okay, let's apply it using this command. These are the benchmark results before and after tuning for MySQL default configuration. Rolim can save time and resources while implementing an improved MySQL configuration that generally delivers up to a 30% performance boost. We are still on pre-launch, but you can visit us and sign up to give it a shot at www.rolim.com. Thanks.